I want you to test websites and apps and get paid between $10 to $60 every day. So these sites I'm going to show you today, they're going to pay you. You can use your smartphone or your computer or even your laptop, but it also depends with the client, whoever has sent you the gig, so for you to choose in. So this one's very simple. Stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to show you step by step on these 3 websites that are going to help you to sign up and start getting work, that is apps on iOS, Android or smartphone, or using your computer or your MacBook for you to test websites. Remember, there are instructions here that you'll meet with the clients, okay? So the clients will pay you after you test and give your opinion, give your free opinion. And this one is very free. You don't need any qualification. It's worldwide and you'll be paid entirely after giving your opinion, free opinion. Just be sincere and make sure because you'll be needed to record the screens on how the app is working. It might be a website that's it's a shopping website for the shop, for a store. So you have to check some of the things, if it's navigable very well, or if the app is responding well or not. And you'll get more coming in on this website. You just keep on waiting after you register. So before we jump in, can you do this favor for me? If you find this video very important to you, if you find this one very insightful and you can share with your friends, now give me a like or subscribe to this YouTube channel and start getting this right away in your inbox and never miss any. So as you can see here, this one is one of the first website. We're going to use this one. It's called user testing. User testing is quite simple and direct. Like I said before, you will find you'll see the demo, and at the same time you can watch a video on how this works out. Okay, now what happens is you'll be given a test, a very short test about how you're going to work out. Okay, now you'll have to record the screen. First of all, they'll send you, or the guys who are sending you, they will send you the app that you'll use, or the software that you'll use to record the screen, so that you give your opinion directly to them. And what happens is when the clients now finish up with you, they will recommend more and more will come up. And when you're signing up, something to remind you is you have to sign up and generously, or just be open and say the app that the gadget you're using. If you don't have a computer, or if you don't have a smartphone or iOS, Android, be specific when you're signing up, and you'll see more of such gigs will be coming in. So before we continue, I want to show you now the real user testing and some of the sites that I've found out that are going to I'm going to show you. Like now, this one here today, you see we have some other jobs just popping in already. We have this one now, it's for iOS and Android and smartphone user, the testing, and another one came in, testing app to view and take the test. Visit app.usertesting.com, your mobile device to download and install. Okay, now what happens is when you complete and give your honest opinion, you'll find that more clients will be lining up for you. So you'll keep on testing as they pay you. There are several, so make sure this one is a must for you. You give your honest opinion, and if you find that you cannot do this, just keep off, because they will block your account and do not access this again ever. So make sure you sign up and handle those gigs very cautiously. And I'll give an example of how you do it. So keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe. You don't miss any of these videos whenever I produce, because the apps and sites that I'm going to share today, they are very, very helpful to you. As you can see, you're going to get paid to test You see here. Now what happens is I'll show you how to sign up and everything. What happens again is be sincere, okay? I'm insisting on that so that you don't miss out. So make sure you sign up. Don't fear about the test. The test always come up. You'll be given a small test where you'll suggest and then give your honest opinion, of course. And whenever you give an opinion, you find that it is just as simple as anyone can do it. It's legit and it can be found anywhere. So what I need you to do, you need to have a strong internet connection. You need also to have a computer, and the place you're going to record yourself must be a very, very quiet place where there's no noise, okay? Now another site that I want to show you is the Try My UI tester. So this one here, you get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. You see, user interface of apps and sites, okay? It depends. Now another one is user feel. This one here, it's a quick and easy user testing site where the best thing is it's free country, okay? This one is free to each country. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, you're Europe, you're Kenya, or where. It's just free like that. So what happens is you give yourself a quiet place, and they also have a usability test, so they also test you a bit. Don't fear it. It's just a free thing. You don't have to. Let's now look at U-Test. U-Test, please review a small fraction of the available paid projects opportunities U-Test has to offer. Sign up today and fill out your test profile and see. And you see, as you can see, when you roll down there, you can see a tester with some jobs already. They have been posted. It's called Testers with ADB Experience Worldwide. So most of these jobs, these ones today, they look very complex, okay? So don't fear. Now when you press enroll, this is where you will enroll, and let's make a web a better place. Let's make the web a better place. So what happens is make sure you sign up, and then when you sign up, you'll get these very fast in your email address or anything. So whenever you enroll, I don't want to enroll now, and then you'll be given these tests. And as you can see, as an example, most of these clients, they come up with apps and sites, and they want to see whether the apps are working right or wrong. So see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. So you'll be given these sites and websites to test them. So whatever they will need from you is just an honest opinion, and you'll get paid after you give their opinion according to what the client has specifically given. Have you ever wondered as to why most of the apps they don't just get up there rolling? So it's you who will be doing the testing itself on the devices that the client has specifically given at you. Like for example, addicted to your phone or tablet, fear not, you can take your user test anywhere. So the screener, as we said earlier, some of these websites here and apps, they call them user tests. So you get yourself test and then you get paid. Now let's go back and see on the user testing. If you want to take these test or this gig, what happens is you have to click on them, and then we want to just to see how it works out, because this one is talking about iOS or Android or smartphone. These are some of the gigs that they have just popped in while we're here. So it's also integrated on my phone. As you can see, this is a phone, and you can see the test already. So what I'll do, I'll accept it and see. So as you can see, because we are still recording, we cannot use those because they are telling us to set up your device to show touches and do a quick microphone check and learn how to use the taskbar and so forth. So we shall go back and quit the job because we are still recording, and you see it will need us to use the phone or the gadget, the one I'm using now, to record it. So you'll have to write something here to quit. That is Are you sure you want to quit? You will not be able to restart this test. So just to click yes, quit, but you have to write something here, just like something like battery low. I think this one will do, battery low, and yes, quit. So I've already declined one of the tests. Of course, this one now goes directly. What you wanted is the one which can give you an overview of the test itself before we start now accepting it. When we refresh this page here, you'll find that that test has elapsed and it has been removed from our site or from our dashboard. So we are not going to receive that again because we declined it. But the ones which we can see here, you can test all these. You can try all these other sites, the website that I've shown you, the ones we mentioned earlier. That's this one, user test, and also there's this one called try my UI, user interface, and then we have user feel, test, and many others. You'll discover more as we continue. So what I want you to do is, one, make sure you subscribe on this YouTube channel. Okay, now as you can see here, this one is about to take a screenshot. Now whenever you are starting to take the test, you will find that you will be required to fill in if you have ever worked with either these companies. They are business consultancy, human resource, what, so many. So whenever you refuse or you don't choose any of these, that one means if you choose none of the above, it means you are not qualified. But at least pick the ones you feel you can work with them, and then complete your tasks. Then they will start popping in the ones according to your interest and your field of study, if in case you have any. So that's how it is. So I want you to let's go back to the dashboard and see what it was all about. So you'll find that after you sign up, it will start now giving you more. So if there's no any other gig around here, you'll just find the place is blank. But if it's there, you'll see the pop-up. Okay, if you love this video and you want to support this video by subscribing, do it right now, because most of my YouTube videos, it's about how to make money online. So stay tuned, because in the next video I'll be showing you more apps and sites on where you can make money online without hustle, just working from home. And this will be a side hustle for you, and it will give you more money giving up. Follow my strategy step by step every time I publish my videos. Okay, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below where are you watching from and which gadget are you watching this video from. It will be a very, very honor to see you, and also in the comments below, so that we can engage. Follow me again on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of them, find Arnest Digits, and let's stay tuned. See you in the next video as I unleash more apps and sites for you.